Alright, this is a lateral dumbbell raise, and this works the deltoids.
Okay, so this exercise is working the rotator cuff. You want to make sure your elbow stays to your side, and you're just going to bring your arm in. And to increase the resistance, you can step farther or step closer for less resistance.
Levers. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so I'm going to be doing one of the Blackburn exercises. It's basically, you can use either a table or a physio ball, but either way you're trying to get that resisted external rotation against gravity. So this is going to be more so working the teres minor and supraspinatus, or infraspinatus, my bad. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in that neutral position, typically 5 pounds or under with weights. And you're going to go slowly to external rotation, back down, external rotation, back down. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the anatomy of the rotator cuffs, starting with the supraspinatus. The origin and insertion, starting with the origin, you have the supraspinous fascia of the scapula, and for the insertion, wraps through the acromion space onto the greater tubercle, and it assists in not only scaption, but abduction till 30 degrees when the deltoids kick in, and external rotation. Next is infraspinatus. Origin is the infraspinous fossa of the scapula. Once again, it wraps around and inserts to the greater tubercle, assists in external rotation. Then there's the teres minor, which is its origin is the upper 2/3 of the axillary or the lateral border of the scapula. Wraps around once again to the greater tubercle, does external rotation. Finally, the subscapularis, its origin is the subscapular fossa. From there, it's like the anterior surface of the scapula, wraps up onto the lesser tubercle, aids in not only adduction, but its primary function is internal rotation.
Alright, so the origin, insertion, and action of the deltoid. The origin is the anterior border of the lateral third of the clavicle. The medial part of the origin is the lateral border of the acromion process of the scapula, and the posterior part is the inferior edge of the scapular spine. Insertion, the anterior, medial, and posterior part is the deltoid tuberosity on the lateral surface of the proximal humeral shaft here. Action includes shoulder abduction, flexion, and extension.